When the world stood on the edge, missiles ready, skies on fire. One move away from everything breaking. Pakistan stepped in. Tension high, yeah, the stakes for real. Missiles locked in, you can feel the steel. Sirens loud, yeah, the red lines crossed. One wrong move, everything lost. From Tehran skies to the fleets at sea, war drums echoing globally. Fire met fire, the whole world froze. One spark away from a deadly close. No loud talk, no reckless play. Calm minds leading through the grave. From Islamabad came a steady hand. Peace over chaos, the strongest stand. While others push for the flames to rise, fueling the war with hidden ties. Strikes were near, the clock ran out. Pakistan stepped in.
Turn it about.
Through the noise, through the pressure wave. On the edge of strikes, both sides were brave. U.S. ready, Iran on flame. World held breath in a deadly game. Shabbat Sharif for the vision clear. Calling for calm and the end felt near. Ceasefire talks in a critical hour. Turning down war with diplomatic power. Field Marshal Asim Munir stood tall, watching the line where giants fall. Sealing silence, strength controlled. Peace is power when the nerves are cold. From backdoor talks to global lines, bridging divides at crucial times when missiles waited for the command. Pakistan paused it hand in hand. History shifts when the moment's right. Not every victory comes from fight. Sometimes strength is holding ground when chaos screams. You don't make a sound.
Against all odds.